and welcome to YouTube channel Freedom Tech. And in this session what we are going to learn, in this session we are going to see how to install Thonny Python IDE, also how to configure the MicroPython for our ESP8266 Node MCU. We are going to install the MicroPython firmware on ESP8266 on using basically our Windows 10 machine. But before we move to our practical, friends, if you learn something from our videos, please consider to subscribe our channel. Okay friends, thank you. So let's start. So first, open the browser. I will mention the link, thonny.org. This is what the link. You need to go the website, and here as you can see Windows, simply click on and it will download the setup.exe file. As you can see, I have already downloaded, so it will download the setup.exe file. I have already downloaded. Okay, then this is what the link for downloading the latest firmware, the MicroPython firmware for ESP8266. Okay, scroll down the page. I will mention the link, this also. So scroll down the link, and here it is, the first one, the .bin file. You have to simply click on the link, and as you can see, it will also download the firmware file. Okay, so I have already downloaded these two files. The one is our setup.exe, a Thonny Python setup.exe file, and another one is our, of course, the firmware file. Okay, so I have already downloaded both of the files. If I open my download session or my download folder, as you can see, this is what the ESP8266 firmware, and this is what our Thonny Python IDE setup.exe file. Also, I have connect our ESP8266 to my laptop. Okay, so first we need to open the setup.exe file. Click on open, and our setup is ready. As you can see, welcome to using Thonny. Click on next. I accept the agreement. Click on next, next, create the desktop icon and click on next and install. It's installing. So friends, as you can see, great success, and we have successfully installed our Thonny on our Windows 10 machine. Simply click on finish, and as you can see, this is what our Thonny shortcut. So click on and it will open the Thonny Python IDE. Okay, so it's opening, and friends, as you can see, this is what our Thonny Python IDE. Okay, now let me check here, increase the font size. Okay, and here friends, what we want to do, we want to first we are going to flash our firmware inside the ESP8266. Okay, so I have connect ESP8266 using our USB cable. Okay, now simply we want to go the run, select interpreter, and here we need to search for ESP8266. So MicroPython ESP8266, as you can see, MicroPython ESP8266, simply select it. Then the port, of course, USB serial CH340 COM5, select the port, then click on install or update firmware, click on it, and here also we are going to select our COM5 port. Then in firmware session we are going to browse our firmware. So where is our firmware save file? So inside the download, select the file, .bin file of our firmware, and then click on, in flash mode we are going to click on select dual IO mode. Okay, flash mode dual IO, and just select erase flash before installing and just click on install. As you can see, the process is starting. Okay, so friends, as you can see, it says here done. So we have successfully flashed the firmware. Click on done, close, and click on OK here. So friends, as you can see, it says here ESP module with ESP8266, and we have our ESP8266 shell. Now I know we want to change the theme because we can't see anything here. So how to change the theme? Simply go to the tools, click on options. Okay, and inside the theme and fonts, as you can see here, it is what the options, theme and font, the syntax themes. Okay, we want to change the theme, so simply click on here, and we want to go with let's say default dark blue, and click on OK. Now as you can see, we can see clearly. Okay, so MicroPython version 1.14, then ESP8266, as you can see. So it means we have successfully flashed our firmware inside our ESP8266 using Windows 10 machine. So I hope you will learn something from this video. We'll meet our next video. Till then, thank you, take care, and bye bye.